mag-iiba't at mag-iiba't pa rin yung definition niyan. So, as of this moment, yes, it's not a real job, pero what if sabihin mo 10 years from now, na parang it will be normalized na palipat-lipat ka ng ginagawa, pero since ayun yung trabaho mo, solidified na yun as ayun yung job
Sinabi ni
mo.
Clark, totoo naman, eh, before nung wala pang internet, yung mga trabaho mano-mano talaga. Example na parang pagkakabit ng kuryente, demand kasi yun, eh. Comparing to this kind of gigs na hindi naman demandable ang magpa-commission maya-maya
In demand,
ng, drawing, 'di
hindi
ba?
siya in demand,
Oo, hindi
seasonal
siya
siya.
in demand. I mean, kung gusto ng tao magpa-drawing, dun pa lang siya magpapa-drawing. Kung gusto ng tao na magpagawa ng, tawag dito, magpagawa ng something out of their passion, magpagawa ng music, dun lang sila magpapagawa. Pero unless kunin ka talaga nung tao na yun to consistently do that, like everyday, there's a system, then dun ko lang siya masasabing job. I think